Hey, what's up, guys? Glad to be here and to let you know about ExpandFi's February release. A lot has been updated, and we've just launched our newest feature, which is reports. And I wanted to go over that with everyone here. One of the big updates that we moved to now is you have ASINs. So we've added ASINs to all of our reports. So you can filter by ASIN and SKU, and we have an ASIN to SKU mapping function here. So if you click on Edit ASINs, you'll be able to manage all of that there. Um, so all of the charts have that filter. Promotions also got that filter. So now you can view by ASIN. We've added all of known promotions of tags. So they're tagged with subscribe and save, brand tailored promotions, subscribe and save coupons, Amazon deals. So you could sort by tag. So if you want to only see subscribe and save, you could do that. If you wanted to filter by an ASIN or a specific channel, you can do that as well. So that is now in ExpandFi. Pretty excited about this. This is some great underlying data that feeds our reports, and I'll be able to show you how that all works here. But again, you can see line by line how many total orders you've had with subscribe and save, the average orders per customers, how it affects new customers active, reactivated, totals, everything. And we're tracking LTVs across all those cohorts. If you want to see a deep dive of this, I'm going to add a video for the latest updated promotions, but wanted to move on to reports. All right, long awaited. We finally have pictures. So if you wanted to see pictures of your business with ExpandFi's data, we have it. We have a couple different report categories. We have sales, we have subscribe and save, we have product journey, subscribe and save coupons, customers, and promotions. And our goal is to be adding a new report every single week. And that includes reports that you request. So if you have a report that you've wondered about, but you can't, figure out, send it to me. We'll build it for you, and we'll add it to your reports. I'll go one by one in these categories. This one is sales by month by channel. So this allows you to see your business across Amazon and Shopify in one single view. You could filter on sales channels. All of our reports have an about this chart. It's also in the help page, but this will give you a little bit of information on how we calculate things and do things. Subscribe and save. Have you ever wondered how many customers you have per month? You now know. We will tell you how many new subscribers you have and how many returning subscribers you have by month across all your different sales channels. Very easy for you to view and have month over month reporting for this now. Sales by customer state. Have you ever wondered how your sales are broken down? We break it down by new subscriber, returning non-subscriber, and new non-subscriber. You can actually see where the dollars are coming from for your business. That is in ExpandFi with your data right now. Product journey. This is going to show you how people are cross-buying across your ASINs in your account. So you can hover over each one of these little rectangles, and it'll tell you how many customers are buying this first purchase versus your subsequent purchase across the board. Customer LTV by first purchase ASIN. This is going to tell you how many customers you've had where their first purchase was this ASIN and gives you their LTV data. This tells you how much of their total LTV is associated with that first ASIN. So a higher number here means customers aren't buying your other products. A lower number means customers are cross-buying across your product assortment. This represents how much of the other ASINs they're buying. So, for instance, of the $57 of LTV, 5.78% of it is from other ASINs than the first one. Subscribe and save coupons. Have you ever wondered how subscribe and save coupons affect your subscription rates? We give you that view now live in ExpandFi. We give you a line chart view, which lets you see what your subscription rate is per day and whether coupons are active. So when these red bars go up, it means coupons are active. When they go down, it means coupons are inactive. And you can compare the subscription rates when they're active versus when they're off. The same goes for this table. So this table will actually calculate what's the subscription rate for an ASIN without a coupon and what is it with a coupon. and what's the difference. So in this case, with the coupon, subscriptions went up 38%. Maybe start thinking about running some coupons. The customer view here, this is going to give you how many new customers you have per month in all the different channels. So you can see month over month, year over year metrics. Same thing here, customers new versus returning. This gives you a view of how many customers you have in each month, how much are new, and how many are returning. A geographic distribution of customers. This will tell you how many customers you have in each one of these states, what their average LTV is, and how it's different versus the national average. So some states, like the small ones, they're higher. Interesting. All right, our next one, which is LTV across customer, and I'm going through these quickly just for this announcement. If you guys want deeper dives, I can do that as well. LTV distribution across your customer base. This one is going to show you all the different ranges of LTV that your customers have and how many customers you have in one of those ranges. So for this instance, this one's between $20 and $39. There's 300,000 customers who have an LTV of this amount. That's 40% of total customers. This is the total LTV value of that group. So if you did 318,000 times their average LTV, 16.45 represents that this cohort or this group of customers represents 16.45% of the total LTV of your business, total sales of your business, and the average channel LTV. So that's useful for being able to understand where most of your customers are at in terms of LTV percentages. Promotions. This one shows you how much you are spending on promotions, the cost of your promotions by tag. So I remember we launched tags and promotions. So you're able to see, for instance, in this month, Subscribe and Save cost $40,000, and that's the discount amount that you're giving customers. And here's a group of customers that are using Subscribe and Save plus Subscribe and Save coupons. That's $58,000. This gives you a better view to understand where your promotions are being spent. So that wraps up the first set of reports that we have. We are going to be launching, like I said, weekly new reports in this section. Whatever you want, if you've ever been curious about something, send it to us. We'll build it for you and we'll deliver it back. All of these reports have the functionality that allow you to download the data as a CSV. You click on this, it'll download as a CSV, and you can manipulate it. You can do whatever you want with it. So if you want to see your Subscribe and Save customers per month, click on download. You have the data to go play with. You can go do it with whatever you want. Give it to ChatGPT, ask it questions. Lots more to come, guys. The other piece that we're working on launching here is the ability for you to self-service and write SQL queries inside of ExpandFi. So you could come up with your own questions and answer them yourself. We're going to add an AI layer to that as well so that you can just use a simple language to ask what you want. It'll build a query for you and pump out the data. It's coming. The roadmap for the rest of February through March is we're doing some back-end improvements. We are going to be adding in Amazon advertising data into this so you can actually get CAC and blended CAC per ASIN per day. And there's a lot more. The roadmap is endless, guys. But this is a big step for us. We hope you enjoy these reports. Let us know what you think. Thanks, guys. Bye.